And straight ahead on 22 News at 6, a creepy critter has invaded the area just in time for the spookiest night of the year. Details coming up.
And finally tonight, a Connecticut town close to Greater Springfield's been bitten by a most unusual bug, which is definitely not your garden variety insect. This one weighs 1,200 pounds rather. It's 28 feet long, and you can find it in the center of town. It's the work of West Suffield welder Ken Washburn. It's literally even stopping traffic.
Awesome guy. The thing is really great. I have people stopping here with their kids. The ladies are coming in, shaking my hand.
Washburn says he got his inspiration from the TV cartoon Gargoyles, and his first venture into welding sculpture will not be his last. He'll be working on a companion piece for the bug, an alien. It should be finished in a few weeks. Pretty topical for the season.
Part of the beautification project for the neighborhood, I guess.
So, perhaps. That's our news.
Thanks for being with us. We'll see you tonight.
Good night.